and we have a guest host, Ivan, joining us from Pakistan or wherever. Okay. Oh man, I wouldn't say Kyrgyzstan or something like that. What would be appropriate? Not. Oh my god! From 9 to 9:30.
Every hour on the hour, you need to report to ref to receive your inoculation. The referee will take this and put it in your eyeball and inject serum straight into your brain. It's painless if you're a strong Russian. You go home, you cut it up to attack me and deal with just the way it is. Hands are much will not be permitted. Then you edit, and it's long, indirect.
So the first thing we're gonna do is.
So we take our little chunk, fold it in half, put it through the eye of the needle. Reminds me of a song. Eye of the tiger. Anyway, here we go. The eye of the tiger. The eye of the tiger. The eye of the tiger.
We hope you're ready for Meals and Sundays.
Joker. Cutlery.
Justice.
Get into a secure structure and commence operations forceful side.
Okay.
You have a little food in the other side. I didn't go this side. Maybe it's in a booger. I don't know. It was tan. It tastes good.
I'm Mexican as well as spicy.
Can I have one?
Now, some of you are probably wondering, why do we have a bunch of airsoft guns on the table? It's because we're an airsoft store. What do you think we're going to have on the table? Gnomes?
Alright, y'all, today we're going to be talking about this here meal sim. And when you get there out in the woods and you start doing the pew-pew on people. Greetings, comrades! Zaknikov here, Airsoft Tactical Artists. I'm sure Ivan has been taking much good care of you in my absence. He is a good comrade, but we don't need him anymore because I am back.
Hey, Boomhauer. Go get me a beer.
And make sure you bring your non-product placement Elite Force SL14 brand new mid-cap speed loader. I operate on a whole nother level.
Come to the game, March 15th. Earthquake! They're not here!
Yes, they are. They're right.
Where are they?
Bill, they're right there.
They're Spurs!
They're hitting the dislike button.
Oh, hello! Don't dislike us.
Do the cabbage patch.
You must drink more of the serum of the Red Lady.
Now I'll make the under $200 loadout magically appear. Kazam!
What the?
Hello? It's, sometimes when I fart, it smells like dinosaur chicken. And sometimes it expels the evil people into the sun. Rotting ghosts. But they're on fire. If we catch the best. Yes, I do this.
In Soviet Russia is like Maria. Always snowing, but never Christmas.
Hey, Airsoft across the world, this is Bill. Jack Kennedy. We're coming to you with the Amoeba Mag. Dang.
We are forcing him to play paintball.
We have a new video contest starting right now, baby!
Right now, baby! Right now, baby!
Attention bush Wookiees, please push up.
Hey guys, this is
Bill. Coming at you with another quality gun review of the Ares Amoeba 009. Forgive me, I'm not myself today.
This has been the Kraken's
After that, they're going to be 30.
Knives are like boogers. It's inappropriate when you flick them.
400. These are not moobs. 400. You want me to start again? What do you think about that, Zach Nicole?
I have one thing to say, and one thing only. When it comes time for Black Friday, there is no time for stalling.
They ought to not think it'd be like this, but it's doing. But it is. Another one, hear ye, hear ye! If you want to have maximum efficiency from your battery, install it a MOSFET!
What? You know, and now for something completely different. Stop. So come by your Batman masks from Airsoft are technical, baby, because we're Batman.
A mental patient has escaped the hospital. Help us.
Or making sure you reset the valve properly. Grenade shells can be solved. Most of your grenade shell. So,
Hey Zach, you heard of Zachley's disease? What's Zachley's disease? When your butt looks exactly like your face.
hope it's not contagious.
Should we get the light behind his head?
Feels like a dead chicken.
Is it on now?
The phones are ringing off the hook.
We're here at Airsoft Tactical. The phones won't stop ringing. People asking silly questions like, don't carry airsoft guns. No, we sell gnomes. All right, so.
Greetings, comrades! Are you liking what you're seeing? Do you need more Zaklikov in your life? You need to hit the like and subscribe button wherever they are. Wherever you are in the world, you need more. Ivan, do you need more Ivan in your life? You need to hit like and subscribe. Ivan is very lonely. He gets very capital sometimes and he cries. But we can't have that.
Smells like Updog in here.
What's up, dog?
Not much. What's up with you?
Just get a couple extra mags. You're a saw gunner. We're sparing no expense here, right? If you can't feed it, then, well, you should feed it. Saws are hungry, man. You gotta feed your saws. You gotta feed the saws the way I feed me, which is generous.
Give us your videos, YouTube. All of your videos. Don't hit stop.
No, I'm just kidding. Stop.
Paulie? He's just sleeping. He's not dead. What's wrong with him? He's dead. You gave him to me, Dad. You said he was sleeping. He's not sleeping. He's dead.
It's okay. We have the best prices in town.
But it is good for 7.4 lipo.
Hey, everybody! Today I'm coming with you with the after action report from Airsoft Battle Park Missile Project from yesterday on Sunday.
You see, my glorious left eye is back. Thank you, stuff in there. Blessings.
This looks ridiculous.
This is a gun?
Are you ready? Hey, airsofters across the world. This is Hello. This is Bill and Zach. We're here to talk to you about a very exciting time in Airsoft.
It's like peeing in your sibling's bed to get them in trouble.
Oh, nasty.
Shoots glorious 390 feet per second, approximately
depending on what BBs you use, with range on the ground, stuff like that. But it's glorious! What, if you have something to say, just say it. No. Speak your mind. You good? I'm hurting my neck.
We had him in.
Oh.
Why you do this, Ivan?
You're such a troublemaker, Ivan.
Yes, you are. You're gonna go back to your pets to slap you with fishes. Let me show you why friends tend to be the #1 destroyer of airsoft guns.
Oh, wow. I just got my first airsoft gun. This is great. I'm so excited. I love it. We're going to have so many airsoft battles. I'm going to shoot many people. I'm going to take really cool profile pictures for Facebook. Yeah, this is awesome. I am so happy. I am an operator now.
Dude, that is so cool! Can I borrow it? Yeah, sure. Just be careful with it. I'll be right back. Oh boy. Dude, I don't know what happened. It just fell apart in my hand. Sucks to be you, dude. Sorry. Catch you later, Hunter! Friends.
And then I'm gonna drop it. Let's try that again. Point number punch. 2. Point number 2.
Hello, I'm back.
Dude, I can pick my nose. Yes, I am Russian Batnikov. You notice that Zaknikov and Batman are never in the same room at the same time.
And then... No power! What's that supposed to mean? I don't know. Hey guys, Zach with Airsoft RS Tactical, and today we're going to be looking at the phone ringing while I'm doing the LMG review. It's Monday. I'm hungry. So, no, I need to do FPS stuff. I want Mexican food all of a sudden. Tacos. No, I'm thinking that right. I want a chicken fajita.
Here, can we get an Allen key?
Alan! Steve! No, Steve! Alan! Oh, nah, I don't remember. He's come back now. Mothership is reconnecting.
You're not recording, right? We're gonna blow your freaking mind.
It's made out of pure stellunium. You can throw it onto tank and it will be destroyed by such presence. You use it as pike to, jam the barrels of tanks and stuff. This is way it was originally designed for. Kalashnikov. May he rest in peace.
What the heck is going on in here? What are you doing? Get back to work! Okay.
Greetings, comrades! Are you liking what you're seeing? Do you need more Zaknikov in your life? You need to hit the like and subscribe button wherever they are. Wherever you are in the world, you need more. Ivan, do you need more Ivan in your life? You need to hit like and subscribe. Ivan is very lonely. He gets very capital sometimes and he cries. But we can't have that because we need more likes and subscriptions, comrades. You need more Fazzy. Always need more Fazzy in your life, comrade. Between choosing having Fazzy and Zaknikov and Ivan in your life and not having, always go with the short things, comrades.
Awesome.